Hi, today you're going to learn about one of the most powerful techniques that I've ever come across when it comes to creating success for my own self. So today I will share with you the most important thing I take with me, having lived in the US for a little over 30 years, and also of those years, 22 of them I've been a party event organizer. One of the things that I learned there is that when I'm going after something that is really important to me, one of the things I do, I always form a team around what it is that I'm going to do. And let me stop here a little bit. And so what I do, I also always create a mastermind group. Some of you have heard me talk about that in some of the other videos I made. But when it comes to party planning too, it's a lonely industry in some ways, because when you're setting up to organize the events and all these things, a lot of these things you do on your own. And just brainstorming with other people and getting input from other people becomes very important. So one of the things that I will do in my current forum at school.com, skool.com/party, is to help people create their own mastermind groups. So one of the principles in the mastermind group is that you don't want to have members in the group that you directly compete with. So ideally you're not in the same city or going after the exact same market in the same city. But the beautiful thing is that people are organizing parties and social events all over the world, and in all towns, small or big. And I did my parties and events in San Francisco. So forming a mastermind group is really key. So if you don't know what a mastermind group is, let me paint a picture for you. So again, let me go back to what I just said. When I was going to go after something that's really important for me, that I want to make sure I succeed at, I formed a mastermind group. Back in 2012, this is going to be a little different story from that has to do with party planning. But my wife and I, we were going to start a business that we could take with us anywhere we wanted to live. We weren't sure if we were going to live in Norway or India or the US. Actually, as a matter of fact, we knew that we wanted to move. So one of the things we did then was to go to Austin, Texas, together with 2,000 other people that were actually going to start a business selling on Amazon. And so we went there specifically looking for 4 to 5 other people that could be in our mastermind group. And that's how I wanted to think now about party planning. So as you get more and more active in this group, you find other people that are there to share, and they like to help, and they are already growing and moving and doing certain things to become better. That's the kind of person you want to look for and have on your team. So I want you to really take this concept really seriously, because this will help you succeed more than any other thing, because it becomes an accountability partner. You get other viewpoints, you get to help people, you get help from people. And as the saying goes, the more you give, the more you get. And so you should be of the person that's looking for how can you encourage somebody? How can you help somebody? How can you give somebody a positive comment? How could you take a look at their work and seriously see what value you could bring to them? We all come from different walks of life, different schools of learning, different schools of thinking, and what have you. That's why it's so important to reach out and help somebody, because what goes around comes around. So I don't want to beat this in too hard here, but you should start to understand what I'm talking about now. I'm constantly in new groups and meeting new people all the time too. Even what I'm doing right now, I'm learning how to develop a course and create a forum. So I'm getting inspiration and insights from a lot of other people that's in my group. And here I am teaching you how to become a very successful party nightclub event organizer. And one of the key principles that I have to share that I've learned from way back when was to form small groups. And it all builds on the beautiful theory by Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill, where he studied the 500 richest men back in the 1940s. They were mostly men then, right, that were in power. And he studied them and came up with 17 principles that they all used to become successful. So basically, principle number 10 in that book, and you can download this book for free online. I suggest you get a copy of it and read it several times. Principle number 10 was the forming of the mastermind. And that's what I really want to instill on you today, because that's how you're going to stay focused, you're going to stay long-term, you're going to get a support network and build yourself a mastermind group. So shortly, I mean in quick terms, you find 4 to 5 other people, no more than 6 people total in a group, including yourself. You meet at least once a week. I wouldn't say at least, but for an hour, hour and a half, go around the room saying, what are you working on? What have you learned? What are you struggling with? What do you really need help with? And also, what you've learned, like I just said, that you can share with the other people that would give of benefit to them as well. And then you record the meetings. Ideally, you have a timekeeper. And if you're 6 people in a group, an hour and a half is the max length I would have on these meetings. That gives you 15 minutes each. And I'm about to go into my mastermind group now for Amazon, starting in about half an hour here, 45 minutes. And we'll go around the room and ask each other what it is that we're working on. And as a matter of fact, not everyone needs to be a party event organizer, or not everybody needs to be selling on Amazon to be in our group. Because different industries do crossover. So one thing you try in one industry, trying that in another industry is usually, that has been successful, is usually your ticket. So I am in another mastermind group too, where we are all from different types of work, just all entrepreneurs. And we meet every Wednesday. And that's been going on since 2004. So you can tell some of these groups here are very, very powerful. And that's what I would like to impart on you today. So comment below, let me know what you're thinking about that, because if you're looking to get in a mastermind group, I'm also here to help you, very much so actually. That's why I'm here. Let me know if you're looking to be in a mastermind group, and I will gladly connect you up. But start looking in the forum, look right here, see who's active. Start becoming active yourself, help people, look at their videos, give feedback, look at what they're working on. And come up with ideas. The more you help, the more successful you're also going to be. And not to make it too long here, but there's a really powerful book by Sean Icor. Before Happiness is the name of the book. Highly suggest you read it, because it talks about how you work in groups and who becomes successful. And that's really what this is all about, because we are here to help each other. And like Oprah Winfrey said on Super Soul Sunday with Mary Angelou, you can never make it alone. Take that to heart, and I hope this was inspirational for you today. And we'll see you on the other side. And please comment, because we are all here to help each other. I'm here to help you as well. High five, thanks for showing up, and I'll see you on the other side.